Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to clean kitchen tiles. This is a fast and easy method for cleaning your kitchen tiles. Right now I'm here in my kitchen and I'm going to be cleaning the tiles. I'm going to show you how I'm able to clean the tiles really quickly. As I've told you in previous videos, I do the majority of the cleaning in my house with my wife and my kids because number one, I like doing it, and number two, I'm actually really fast at doing it. I've developed these methods. So what you want to do is you want to start off by being prepared. You want to clear everything out of the way. So like for instance, I have this stool over here that is usually kept in the kitchen for my kids to climb on, but I move it out of the way. Any high chairs, anything on the floor you want to move out of the way. So you want to take a quick minute, probably less than a minute, and clear off all of the floor. Okay? Next, what you're going to do is you are going to fill up a bucket with water and your favorite cleaning solution. I would recommend using warm water because it seems to get the stuff off of the floor really easily. Okay? So if you use warm water, it's actually going to allow the stuff on the floor to just get cleaned off much easier than cold water. It doesn't have to be boiling hot, but definitely warm water is better than cold water if you are able to use it. You also want to put your favorite cleaning solution in here, okay? There are many options. You just want to use what's right for you and your specific tiles. Honestly, there are like hundreds of cleaning solutions. Just go to your local store that sells cleaning products and just look for a tile cleaner or floor cleaner. They're all going to get the job done well. Just experiment to see which one works best for you. So what you want to do next is you want to take a small rag or cloth and you want to just dip it in the cleaning solution, okay? And you want to quickly work your way around the floor and just scrub off any spots that are sort of caked on. So there's one spot over here, it's caked on. I don't know what it is, probably some food that my kids ate. You want to just scrub it off really quickly. Like you don't have to really get rid of it, but you just want to quickly go over it like that. Any spots that you see that are sort of caked on, because it's going to save you from scrubbing with the mop, okay? There you go. So next what you want to do is you want to leave that rag in there if you want. You don't want to be scrubbing the floor with a rag and then using it for your dishes afterwards. So I always like to keep a separate rag for the floors. Then you're going to take your mop and you're just going to dip it in the water and you're going to scrub the floor for the first coat. Now you can also use, I have a different kind of mop that allows you to like spray the floor with the solution. You can use that too, but I use that for like the hardwood floors, and I use this mop for the tiles. So what you want to do is take your mop, get it all full of the solution, whether it's this kind or different kind. I have this really nifty thing. You just push the pedal and it wrings out the mop. It's like actually really cool. So once you have a nice moist mop, you want to go and you want to go cover the entire floor area. Okay, so as you can see, hopefully this is on camera. What I like to do is I like to go over the perimeter first, and I like to divide it up into sections, as you can see right over here. Okay, so I went over the perimeter first, and I divided it up into sections, just like that, and just like that. And you want to have an out plan. Okay, this is very simple. You want to have a way to walk out of the kitchen, right? Obviously, you can't box yourself in. So I know that I can exit out of the kitchen that way over there. So essentially what I'm doing right here is I'm actually basically scrubbing the floor, walking out, and then I'm going to let the floor dry, and then I'm going to go with a second coat. And if you bring out the mop well enough, then it won't take long for the floor to dry. That's what you want. You don't want to be waiting for, 20 minutes for the floor to dry. You want to scrub it and then you want it to dry within like 5 minutes or so. So get the mop wet and moist, but dry enough that you're not spreading a ton of water on the floor. Mop it, let it dry, hit it with a second coat, and then let it dry. And then if you want to, you can even hit it with a third coat. And the best thing about it is that it doesn't take long, and it only takes like 5 minutes to dry if you have the right moistness of the mop. So if you've done it right, the whole process will take like, I don't know, less than 20 minutes. And while it's drying, you can do other things, like you can vacuum while the floor is drying. For instance, you can vacuum the rest of your house. So that's why I like this method. It is how to clean kitchen tiles, and it is my fast and easy method. Now, obviously, I didn't do a second coat because I'm still waiting for this to dry, but once I shut the camera off, I'm going to mop the rest of the kitchen tiles. This is only about a third of the kitchen. I'm going to mop the rest of the kitchen tiles, and then I'm going to let it dry and do a second coat. And to be honest with you, I almost always do a third coat just because I like it when it looks nice and sparkly clean, and it allows it to stay consistently clean looking until like a week or 2 weeks later whenever I mop the floor again. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.